All right. Bless you. That's Addison sneeze, everybody. That's Addison sneeze. For the rest of our careers, you could be famous on my YouTube channel. All right. Okay, here we go. Negative 3x, letter A, negative 3x cubed plus 1 plus 4x cubed minus 3y cubed minus 1 plus 5x cubed. So if I'm you, I would just, you guys see this?
Yeah.
I would just rearrange everything with like terms. I hit everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I think I got everything. All right, so you have to know your integers here. So negative 3 plus 4 is positive 1. Positive 1 plus 5 is 6x cubed minus 3y cubed, because you can't do anything with that. And then 1 minus 1 is 0, so just minus 7. So the final answer is 6x cubed minus 3y cubed minus 7. By the way, when you're trying to simplify, all right, when you're trying to simplify, you are not solving for anything. All right, you're just trying to condense everything as much as possible. Okay, so just remember that. All right, you're trying to just make it easier for you to understand. Yes, did I do something wrong? No. I I would maybe, I'm not going to mark it wrong on this, but generally speaking, you want the highest powers on the left and then the lowest powers on the right. But yeah, if you put like negative 7 minus 3y cubed plus 6x cubed, that's fine with me. All right. Good question. All right. Letter B right here. Distributive property, that's really big. Negative 10n plus 20 plus 2n plus 6. Make sure you multiply the both numbers. So it'll be negative 8n plus 26, and that's it. By the way, try to like put a rectangle around the answer so that way I know that what the answer is. Sometimes I can't really see it. All right. Number 2 is the first part, at least, is kind of confusing, and I apologize for that. But this is like a negative, this is a -2 here, times, a dot is a times. So order of operations, this is 25 minus 2 times negative 9 plus 6. I would do this next because that is multiplication, right? So it'd be 25 minus negative 18 plus 6. And it'd be 25 plus 18 plus 6. That'll be what, 43? So that'll end up being 49. I know a lot of you guys don't use Facebook anymore. I see it on Facebook all the time. I like Facebook because it's easier on the eyes. TikTok is like, you guys are crazy about TikTok. It's like there's all this inappropriate stuff. But on Facebook, there's some inappropriate stuff on Facebook too, but it's less so. But what happens on Facebook, there's some posts like this that go, hey, you know what, like try to solve this. I don't know if you've seen it. It's actually on TikTok too, I bet, where like there's all these random math problems. I don't know if it's part of your algorithm. It's obviously part of mine because I'm a math teacher kind of thing. I don't know. They know that I'm a math teacher. So, I mean, there's all these people who put all these problems up, and it's kind of like you have to just solve them on your own. Kind of fun, but try to, this is like these types of problems are always on there, the order of operations. And unfortunately, I get them wrong all the time. So like, I remember one of my friends put them up, and I totally got them wrong. So, all right. Hopefully that doesn't speak how of the quality of math teacher that you have. All right. Here we go. Letter B, you do the exponent first. That's still negative 8 right here. Okay, and then 4 times negative 8 plus 6 minus. Okay, multiply out here, be negative 32 plus 6, and then plus 8. Then negative 32 plus 6, you go from left to right. Negative 32 plus 6 is what? Negative 26. Negative 26 plus 8 is what? Negative 18. And that's your answer. Notice that this says solve, right? You are getting one number from that point, okay? Again, if it says simplify, it could be one number, but it could be condensed. You could have other options, okay? So just so you know. Combining like terms is a form of simplification. Okay, it's another way of simplifying. All right. Ken, you're still on your phone. Amazing. Come on. Let's go. All right, come on. You guys. All right, number 3. Here we go. Negative 76 equals negative 3b minus 49. What's the first step? What's the first step here? Okay, and so are there like terms to combine? Yeah, which one? I guess yes and no. I mean, there's nothing on this side of it right here, right? But what can you do with the 49 and the 76? What do you do with the 49?
Get rid of it.
How do I get rid of it? Add 49 to both sides. So what's negative 76 plus 49? Anybody do that in their head? Negative 27, that's the day. Equals negative 3b. You divide by negative 3. So b is equal to, if you want to check too as well, negative 3 times 9 is negative 27. Negative 27 minus 49 is negative 76. Right? Letter B is, use distributive property, it'd be negative 3x minus 6 minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 37. Hey, again, Kenneth, again, guys, come on, Kenneth, please. Just put your phone away, guys, and then you guys can all pass this class. Come on. I mean, do I have to collect your phones? You guys, come on, you're in 11th grade. All right? Let's have the discipline. Put it away, put it away. You guys, come on. Huh? Oh, sorry, Isaiah. Sorry, Isaiah, same thing. Come on, please, just put it away. He knows what I'm talking about. All right? Hey, geez. I keep getting names mixed up. I'm getting old. I can't remember some of your names sometimes. All right, not because I don't like you, it's just because I can't. Well, I don't like you if you're on your phone though. All right, so yeah. All right, so now, what's next? Combine like terms, which is what? Negative 6x minus 11 is equal to 37. Then what's next? Add 11, right? So negative 6x is equal to 48. You divide by negative 6. So x is equal to negative what? Sorry, it's a little delayed. What's x equal to? Negative 8. Nice. Yes. Can I get another question then other than that, please? Yeah, go ahead. I mean, after. Oh, painful. Painful. Come on, guys. Here we go. All right. I get it. No one likes math, but you gotta do it. All right. Here we go. All right. Got some questions here. Mr. K, what did you do, with the negative and the positive there? How come it's a positive today and not a negative? How do you get to those questions, Right? Mr. J, what does X mean? Oh, yeah, I mean, can we get some of those questions like, sorry, I didn't mean to you just have to just ask about that. All right, come on, please. All right, no, letter A here. Here we go. Negative 2x plus 6 is equal to negative x plus 3. Here we go. What do we do here? Negative 2x plus 6 is equal to negative x plus 3. Notice that there's a variable on both sides of the equal sign, right? And by the way, you have all seen this before, all right? I guarantee you, all right? You gotta know how to do this. All right, what's the first thing we do? Anyone? Add the x. Good job. I would add the x, or you could add the 2x. You could add the x, add the 2x to the other side, or you could add the x to the left. Either way is fine. This is what? Negative x plus 6 is equal to 3. Correct? When we say solve for x, we're trying to get x by itself. So what's bothering the x right now? The 6. So we get rid of the 6 here by subtracting it. And negative x is equal to negative 3. And then what? Divide by negative 1, right? Because negative and negative make it positive, so x is equal to positive 3. All right, that's the first 4 problems here. All right, I'm gonna stop the recording because I'm on the free version of Zoom. All right, so, and they cut you off at 40 minutes. We're not even close to 40 minutes, but yeah. Oh, dang it. All right, B is what? 4x plus 6 is equal to 5x plus 7. Thank you for letting me know. What's the first step? Back to 4x. 6 is equal to x plus 7. What do you do next? Back to 7. So x is equal to, what's 6 minus 7? So 1. Negative 1. Again, that's why we did the integers. I think a lot of you guys will get these wrong based on just the integers alone. Right? And you just, I mean, we went over them. I don't know what I can do. All right. There's nothing else I could do about this. All right. All right. So I'm gonna stop the recording. Let's do the next. Can we do give you guys 15 minutes to do the next 5 through 8? Yeah. Can you guys try those right now? 5 through 8. Addison, go ahead and go. All right. Sorry, it is recording still. That is right. Addison went to the